Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 83, and in this quick tip I'm going to be looking at a behavior I noticed about the legacy drawing tool. And what we have on the chart at the moment, we have a horizontal line drawn using the legacy drawing tool, and also a horizontal line drawn using the drawing objects. And let me just show you the program so you can see how this has been done. The value of the line we're calculating by finding the midline of between the upper display value, the lower when first applied to the chart, and then we're using the standard syntax TL new, then the date time, the level, date time, level, and then I've added a few other things here like extend right, true, extend left, true, setting the size to the maximum, I think 6, and the color. And if you're not sure of something, you can easily right click on this and look at the definition to see the details. So 0 being the thinnest for the line thickness, 6 the thickest. The other thing I've done is added the horizontal line using the drawing objects. The way I did that is I went into Toolbox, then I found the horizontal line, I dragged it into the component tray, then making sure that that is clicked, you can change some of the values here. So we set the weight to be weight 7, which is the thickest weight. We've made the line dotted. We've set persist to false, right justify to false, set the color to dark orange, and we've set auto show. We haven't changed the name. And then we've added a little bit of additional information here. In the program, we've set the price to the midline value -4, and also we've said the lock is false. So if we go to the chart, you'll see that we are able to click on this line and relocate it. However, if we try and do that with this line, you'll see that we're not able to select it or move it. And now that might be a useful behavior for you in some circumstances, but the reason it's doing that is because if you look at the definition in TradeStation of the syntax for DL new, you'll notice that it says the minimum of 2 different points need to be provided. Now in this case I've not added 2 different points, I've just done date time midline and date time midline. In other words, we're using the same point, and by doing that we're not able to select or move the line. And just to show you what I mean is if I make the points different, so for example, instead of date and time midline and date and time midline, I make it date and time of the last bar midline. We've now got 2 different points. So if I verify the program now, go back to the chart, and you'll see that I am able to select the line and move it. Anyway, hopefully that might be useful to you. If you're not subscribed to this video channel, then please do so, and also go to markplex.com, that's markplex.com, and join the email list. Thank you very much.